Hi guys, and welcome to BRW tutorials. In this tutorial, we have shown on how you can set specifications for a particular product. Now, let's get into this video. To set specifications for a product, you need to follow 3 steps below. The first step, create specifications. The second step, set specifications for a category. The third step, add specifications for a product. The first step, create specifications. You go over products specifications. Add new. Select type. Our plugin supports 11 specification types, including text, link, number, tel, email, radio, checkbox, select, date, color, and file. Add name. This name will be shown in the list of specifications in the backend. Add label. It is a specification title that is displayed in the front end. Insert icon font. Insert icon font in the field. You can find many icon fonts in our BRW document. Insert default value of a specification that will be displayed in backend. Insert class if you want to style for it. You tick the checkbox if you want to show specifications. You tick the checkbox if you want to show label in the front end. You tick the checkbox if you want to show specifications in cut template. Go to the second step, set specification for a category. You go over products, category. You select one of categories. For example, I select let's go to choose specifications. You choose all. If you want to have all specifications in the category, you choose other specifications. If you want to have some specifications in the categories, the third step, set specifications for a product. You go over products, add new. You choose a category that contains suitable specifications for the product. Let's go to the specifications tab and change the value of those specifications. Let's go to the front end. You can see the list of specifications. Let's go to the product listing page. You can see the specifications are displayed here. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.